like to officially welcome you to Ohio Street, 408 Ohio Street in downtown Eagle River, Wisconsin. I'm going to take you on a little walkabout and show you this amazing property today. And I want you to see what you can buy in northern Wisconsin for $315,000, brand new construction with a garage, over 1,200 finished square feet of living space. This is an amazing opportunity if you're a frugal buyer looking for value and looking for something that's move-in ready that you don't have to do a darn thing to. Also right across the street from the park. So I'm going to turn this camera around. I'm going to give you a walkabout, not just of the outside, but I'm going to even take you down the street for a piece. All right, here we are just at the entrance of the easement road to my new Ohio Street listing. You can see my truck back there. The listing is that house on the right. But I kind of want to give you a little perspective as to where we are. So right down there, you can see Lampert's is going to be across the street. Pick and Save just down to the left. The snowmobile trail is right there. The bike trail is right there. All of your town amenities, the farmer's market happens right there. So this is from actual perspective from where you're living. This location couldn't be any better. Here we're going to look right down here as we head down Ohio Street. In that direction, you're going to go to where the old Shopco used to be, Leif's Cafe, and then right here, a great spot. Pick and Save would be within walking distance from this location as well. Easy access to everything. This is an easement road, so you're going to have, or a shared drive easement to get back to this house, which is 408 Ohio Street, which is shared with 400 Ohio Street, which will be coming on the market in the future. But these two houses are going to be our newest construction here. These two houses on my right, we sold a couple of years ago. And every time my seller here builds a new property, he kind of learns from the feedback we got on the ones prior. And so for this house, they actually did an attached garage, which should be making all of our potential buyers tickled pink. Right over here, you've got your little city park, which is amazing, right, literally, right across the street from the house. So again, if you have family with extended family, with kids, friends with kids, you've got easy, you could open up your garage like my sellers were doing when I got here today, park your chairs and watch your kids play across the street in the park. Here is one of our lot lines right there that was going to separate that home from this home. Again, gives you nice ample space. And then we'll walk around behind the house so you can kind of get a gauge of it. Another difference they did here is they did a smart siding. So it's got a little different look than the other homes, which were vinyl sided. The white windows make the windows pop a little bit with the white trim. I just think it turned out really lovely. We're going to come around back here. You've got a couple of, you can see your stakes here. You can see a white one in the corner there and another one there. So you can really get a good gauge of how much yard you would have here. Imagine, a patio, fenced in backyard, patio brick pavers there. You could even do a screened porch or a pergola behind here. You could fence in the yard if you have puppy schmuppies, but it's a really nice space back here if you're looking to create sort of an oasis for yourself within the city. There's your patio door from the great room outside, and that is your primary suite bedroom window. So the back of the house is your primary bedroom. And then we'll wander around this way, your propane tank. So we are in the city, but he chose to do propane. You could always bring natural gas in if you wanted to. But when you buy it, you have your city sewer water, but you have propane for your gas. All right, and then we're gonna come around here. Again, your park. There's your entrance with the shared driveway off of Ohio Street. And then your attached garage. Your heating system in the back. You can see your hydronic boiler, on-demand pump, and everything going into the ground right there. There. I'm going to take you inside now. So I'm going to turn off the camera. We'll just give you a little spin here again. And then we'll take you inside. Alrighty. Love these doors too. It's just got such a great feel to it. And the touch of the beautiful flower by the front door. All right, I'm gonna take my shoes off and we're gonna head inside here. All right, so here we're coming in. You can see upon entry, right on your right, you automatically have one room. Currently could be used as bedroom number 3, could be an office, could be a bonus room, could be a second family room if you wanted to have like a second lounge or den. Nice size closet here, goes all the way across, all mirrored. You've got your utility panel there, and then another great big window, which also looks out your front. Again, I think this could also be a great den if you didn't need the bedroom space. We are on a slab, so there's nothing underneath us. And we are a ranch style home, so there are no steps in here. Even to the garage, there's no steps. We're gonna proceed forward. First door to our left is going to be the garage. Poke this open here for you to take a peek again. Nice size garage, all insulated, all the way around, all finished with sheetrock. There is your utility system. There is your lines going into the slab. And everything is right there. And again, everything is brand new. We're gonna wander into your kitchen area. There, I'm gonna turn this around and we're gonna show you this adorable kitchen. Very open concept back here. We've got an extra closet, could be a coat closet, could become a pantry. Whatever you need, this is what you would have. You've got a flat top range with oven, dishwashers already there, and your refrigerator. And again, one of my other favorite things is when you have a window to look out of while you're doing dishes. Love the black hardware touches. You've got the whirligigs in the corner on this one, so you've got that extra space in there. You can see that. Again, all the space is used properly. All right, I'm gonna turn this off and we're gonna start over on the next section. All right, we're gonna pick up kind of where we left off. So again, you've got all of your lowers and uppers here. A little bit of space atop for some decoration if you wanted to do it. Lots of light. Another thing you'll notice in this house, I'm just gonna walk you over to the patio so you can see out your backyard. But another thing you're gonna notice with this house is the amount of natural light. So it's not a dreary day, but it's not super sunny. It was actually raining on my way over here. You can see your corner right out there. But you notice it's very bright in here. It doesn't feel dark. With the paint colors they chose, it's actually very bright in here. I love it. White trim around the doors. Again, everything just sort of stands out and looks finished. Here's your main level laundry. So we've got laundry right here. And they were so smart because they even gave you a light above it so you can see while you're doing laundry directly across the hallway from your full bath. Another difference in the design here is you have 2 full baths in this house, and this one has the tub shower. So, you know, if you have somebody who likes to soak or take a bath, that can be accommodated here. Then we've got the second bedroom. This one doesn't have a closet, but it does have a nice big window, so you get good natural light in here. You could use this with a wardrobe in the corner. This could be your office, could be a second family room as well, but they are using it like a full second bedroom. We have an extra closet here. Could be used for pantry, anything you need it to be. Broom closet. And then we are going into your primary. And yes, for $315,000 brand new construction, you will get a primary bedroom. The value here is unbelievable. There's your walk-in closet, your entrance back to the main house, and then there is your primary bath. Comfort height, everything is brand new. The colors are fantastic, and then look at that walk-in shower. All tile, looks spectacular. And then I'll take you into your primary closet. There. I'm going to take you back out in the hallway and we'll talk a little bit more about this amazing property. Again, I think I said we have about 1,240 square feet of finished living space, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. We're on a slab. You're off of the town road, but you're serviced here in particular by an easement shared private road. You have a heated garage. It's 2-car, about 360 square feet of space in the garage. We have tankless hydronic hot water in-floor heat. It is taken by propane, and you are on city sewer and water. Interestingly enough, I was looking at some comparables in the area, and for this price point right now, you get a lot of old construction. So this is one of the few properties out there that stands out like a pretty penny because everything is brand new. It's an amazing property. You've got to see this one to believe it for yourself. I know you all know how much I love to talk about math. I love math. Realtors don't normally like math, but I tend to like math, especially when we're looking at values. And I love to compare value to value. And when we look at this property, I believe we are on roughly a 0.25 acre lot. Great part of downtown Eagle River with excellent walking distance to everything. 25, 30,000 for the lot potentially if they were gonna buy it and build. Then we're taking a house that's about 1,240 square feet. On top of that, at this price, you're getting the house for about $245 a square foot. That doesn't include the lot. That doesn't include the 2-car attached heated garage, appliances, and all the amenities here. The value here is unbelievable. A ranch style floor plan, easy living, easy access, great location, no stairs anywhere, and everything is new. You're not gonna buy this and have to replace the roof. You're not gonna buy this and have to put in all new appliances, a hot water heater, or a furnace. Those are the main things today's buyers worry about is, am I gonna buy this and have to dump $25,000 to $30,000 into it to fix all the things that are 20 to 25 years old? It's not gonna be your problem here. Everything is new. So you've gotta check this one out for yourself and see how amazing it is and what you can buy in the heart of the North Woods, right down the street from the snowmobile, right down the street from the bike path, right down the street, walking distance to the farmer's market. You got to come and check this one out for yourself. It's a great value in today's world at $315,000. Oh, and one more sidebar, just a smidge more math. I was doing the math on this bad boy, and if you put $15,000 down, which is roughly 5%, and you loan this out at about $300,000 over 30 years with about a 6.5% interest rate, which you could likely beat, your average payment is going to be about $1,800 a month. Do you know that the big beast condos on the other end of town or the new apartments that they're building are about $2,000 a month to rent? Doesn't include your utilities, doesn't include your garage, and doesn't include home ownership and all the benefits that come with it. From the tax write-offs to the building equity in something you own for yourself. So just for the sake of making me feel better, if you're looking to rent in northern Wisconsin, check this house out to buy for yourself. Home ownership definitely has its perks, and this one, again, is worry-free. All right, as I leave my great little listing on Ohio Street, I'm just gonna kind of give you your bearings as to where this is located. So there's our house, $315,000. Right across the street is the park. And I just want you to see that proximity matters and location is important. So here we're gonna go down this little easement shared driveway between these 2 houses on the back. And when we get to Ohio Street, we're gonna take a right, and I want you to see exactly how close you are to everything. We love our little Eagle River, and this location is in a great spot if you like amenities. So if you are an outdoorsman, you like to run, you like to walk, you like to hike, you like to bike, you like to go to the farmer's market, you like to go to Cranberry Fest, you like to go downtown. Literally from here, you can walk almost anywhere within a couple of blocks. So now we probably have gone about 1 block up there. It's kind of funny because that porta potty is going to be right where about the farmers market is held. Now we've gone at just about 2 blocks, and then there is Lampert's across the street by the stop sign. Eddie B's is going to be just down to your right. To your left, well, I guess it's now Wisconsin Building Supply. You're going to see Pick and Save off in the distance. I'm going to take a left here. We're going to go by exactly where the farmers market is generally held every week, where you've got the food trucks out. That little thing behind where you see those garbage cans, that's your bike trail and snowmobile trail, ATV, UTV trail. So pretty much anything you're interested in, you have access to from this amazing location. This main road here is going to be 45 north and south. So when we get to the stop line and then we go to the stoplights, if you take a left, you're going to go up to Conover and Land O'Lakes. You take a right and you're going to be able to head south towards downtown Eagle River, towards 3 Lakes, or you can head off and go towards St. Germain and Minocqua. So again, there's your Pick and Save across the street. And that way to the left is going to be Land O'Lakes, Conover, and to the right, downtown Eagle River. Hopes this gives you a little bit of perspective as to where you are here. And again, as we follow this road headed to downtown, right on the right here is your snowmobile, your UTV, your ATV, and your bike. Hope that gives you some idea of where you're located, and you got to check this one out for yourself. Thank you so much for touring Ohio Street, 408 Ohio Street in Eagle River, Wisconsin. This amazing new construction, just completed house right in downtown Eagle River. If you'd like to schedule a private tour, give us a call, but come and see what you can buy in northern Wisconsin with access to everything people love about the Northwoods for just over $300,000.